Hey there, everybody. It's Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Tuesday, April 29th, and today we're going to talk about coffee, a trade that we had in the trading room today that we've been looking at for the past several days. We talked about it a lot yesterday, sent out a couple signals on Signal Feed talking about it, and we actually traded it today, and we were up about $1,700 a contract in about 6 minutes. And we actually covered several people in the trading room, made over $3,000 on this trade in less than 10 minutes. The total time between in and out was about 6 minutes if they jumped out when I jumped out. So what we were looking at was coffee had a fairly well-defined trend line right here, coming up and across these lows on this 120-minute and 240-minute chart. What we did is as soon as it broke through the trend line, we got short right at about 201.30 area. As soon as we got short, as soon as we hit significantly undervalued, so it broke the trend line, it shot down really quickly, just in a matter of minutes. As soon as it hit significantly undervalued, which is the lower red bar segment here on this 120-minute chart, we went ahead and closed it, which ended up being the exact bottom, or very close to the very bottom. And this market ended up turning around, and you can see it's jumped back up quite a bit, almost 10 points from the low, or over 10 points from the low. But we ended up taking about $1,700 a contract out to the downside in a matter of 6 minutes. So keep an eye out. This is one of the advantages of having these value bars and value charts, is being able to see, okay, a market's moved so far that normally it's not going to move much further than that unless you get a very large move. So worked out really well. That's the trade we've been outlining. We talked about it yesterday. We talked about it today. Talked about it the day before yesterday. You had a lot of signals on the Signal Feed talking about that same setup. So it worked out really well. Hope everyone enjoyed it. I hope this helps. Make sure you keep an eye on trend lines and make sure you watch your value when you're in a market, in a trade, so you know when to potentially be taking profits. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to click the link to subscribe. If you want to join us in the trading room, go to ValueCharts.com. And until next time, happy trading.